Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to do a little bit of a tool review on the ROTHENBERGER 34mm adjustable wide jaw wrench. Now I picked this up because it's a little treat. It's just a nice little nippy size, look at that. It's perfect. Just for getting in the back of boilers, getting on those PRVs, you know, them awkward things right at the back of the boilers where you can't get to. So we're going to go over a usual case, give a little demonstration, a little overview, a little specification, then go into some final thoughts at the end. So without any more chit chat, let's find out a little bit more. Before you do though, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. The ROTHENBERGER adjustable wrench wide jaw complete with jaw protectors combines a wide range of practical features, such as an extra wide opening jaw wrench combined with a slimline angled jaw, which is perfect for use when working in the smaller spaces, such as boiler housings, car engine bays and such. The wrench offers a hot forge from chrome vanadium steel composition. This meets the industrial standard and specifications. It provides smooth, accurate size adjustments and includes a non-slip ergonomic soft grip handle. The ROTHENBERGER wrenches come complete with a removable soft grip jaw protector, which help ensure chromed or polished surfaces such as showers and so on are protected when in use. So as you can imagine guys, due to the virus and everything else, I haven't had that much chance to do much repair work. It's mainly been service, if I've got to be honest with you, and very minor repairs such as toilets and stuff like that. So what I'm just going to do now is show that the spanner can do the large work as well as the close small nitty gritty work. Look, no movement on the spanner, which is a great sign. So what we're going to do, pop that on there. Just the spanner to suit. Perfect. And tighten that up nicely. Of course, the other side. Perfect. So there you go guys, just goes to show you that the spanner is just as good on large work as it is small work. As you can see here, I'm freeing this nut up inside the boiler housing to replace the part. It does it very easily, even though it is a tight space. And after that I'm simulating swapping a plate heat exchanger and the nuts that are involved to remove that. Also very easily done. Here you can see me simulating a removal of the expansion vessel. Again, it's an easy part to get to be perfectly honest with you. So do I think it's worth it guys? Well, you know what, for 16-17 quid I think this is bang on. Already this has saved me more times than I care to mention. Very impressed with it. Highly recommend it. I have dropped some links in the description below so you can get yourself one, probably a little bit cheaper as well if they're on offer. And again, what I like about it is, you know this is quality stuff. There's none of that flimsy jaw what you get on cheap spanners. And don't get me wrong, you can get cheaper alternatives online, of course you can, you're going to get that anywhere. But you get what you pay for at the end of the day. And I always trust Barco and ROTHENBERGER. They've never let me down and I will always continue to use them, so I do recommend them guys. So on that note, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. I've just lost my fucking